Hi, my name is Joseph from Truflow Spray Booths. Here we have a kit form spray booth model BD1616. The number represents the booth dimensions in feet. In this case, it is 16 feet wide by 16 feet high, or 4,880 millimeters wide by 4,880 millimeters high. It's a modular system that can change in height by 1 foot or 305 millimeters and changes in width and depth by 2 feet or 610 millimeters. Therefore, these kit form spray booths can suit a range of uses from small projects on a bench all the way up to buses and trucks just like this model. You can even upgrade the cabin depth at a later date. These booths are flat packed with pre-punched holes and come with assembly instructions. That way, they are easy and quick to self-assemble. If you need to relocate the booth, they are also easy to disassemble and move. We also make other booths and custom booths. Have a look at our channel and we have plenty of more examples. If you're interested in discussing these kit form spray booths, you can contact us at our head office in Melbourne on 03-9794-9498 or visit our website in the description below. Thank you very much for your time.